Today, I'll show you how to seamlessly integrate a Honeybook contact form into your Showit website. Whether you're a business owner, a creative professional, or just someone looking to streamline client interactions, this guide is for you. We're going to make sure you can easily capture leads and inquiries directly through your site, enhancing both usability and professionalism. So let's dive right in. First, head over to your Honeybook dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the lead capture section. This is where all your contact forms live. Depending on what version you're keen to use, you can choose between contact forms for the standard version or lead forms if you're interested in using the innovative 2026 instant scheduling version, which offers a more dynamic way for potential clients to book appointments right from your site. After you've decided on the form you'd like to use, select it with a simple click. You'll see an option that says publish, or if you've already made some changes that need saving, it'll say update instead. Clicking this ensures that your form is ready to be used and shared, so don't skip this step. It's important because it effectively locks in any configurations you've set, making sure everything works as you intend once it's live on your site. Once your form is published or updated, the next thing you'll want to do is click on share. This is where you'll find the full embed code that you need to integrate the form into your Showit site. Simply click share and then copy next to the embed code. This code is crucial because it's what allows your form to function on your website. Without it, you wouldn't be able to capture any client information directly through Showit. Now that you have the embed code copied, it's time to head over to your Showit account. Once you're in, navigate to the page where you want your contact form to appear. Showit's interface is user-friendly, but if you're new, take your time to locate the exact spot where you want the form. When you're ready, you'll want to add a new embed code box to that page. It's usually found in the Tools or Elements section of Showit's design panel. In the embed code box, and simply paste the Honeybook embed code you copied earlier. This action will place your contact form directly onto your Showit page, allowing it to display correctly when someone visits your site. Make sure to save your changes after pasting the code. Double check your work by previewing the page to ensure that everything appears as expected. If something seems off, go back and make sure the embed code is correctly placed and saved. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a Honeybook contact form to your Showit website. Now, your visitors can easily reach out or schedule appointments, helping you manage your interactions more efficiently. Remember, a well-integrated contact form not only looks professional, but also helps in capturing more leads effectively. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Happy designing!